and it's currently 12:10 p.m. now. I woke up earlier, but I did not start filming until right now, of course. So in this video I'm going to be doing a vlog, like a day in my life sort of vlog. So I really hope you all like it, and if any point of time you think that you like this video, then you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell if you haven't already done so. And also follow me on my Instagram, because why not self promo? It's at samraddhi. And yeah, so I was thinking that today it'll be a lazy day, but then I realized that my almirah, this very almirah, is super messy and you guys are not ready for this. So I thought that my entire room is super messy and I should probably clean that up right now. And after that I have lots and lots of work to do. So I don't know, the lighting's super bad and it can't be fixed so much. So you guys will see a montage of a time lapse of me cleaning the almirah. So there you go. And this part of the almirah is super clean. I have my daily basket kind of thing, and then here I have my socks, and then inside I have a lot of stuff you can't see. I have this microphone ka box, and piche I have camera ka box, and I have the scented candles, 2 bras over here, and then these two what do we say, drawers, and uske andar saman hai. Ye wali bahut gandi hai, this one's clean. Here I have some bells, and niche wali almirah is super clean. This is the cleanest. And my shoe rack.
कोई फ्यूचर से टाइम में वापस आया था और उसने अपनी ड्रीम मैचेस खो दी. लिटिल गर्ल ने उन्हीं मैचेस को.
It's currently 3:30 and I edited a video, and this is my lunch. I want to show you the things that Clovia sent me in the November collection. So here's what the box looks like. It's super pink and it's super pretty in color, as you can see. Let's open it up. This is what it looks from the inside. Now I've actually opened it before. So the very first thing that comes with it is sari shapewear, which is perfect for the wedding season. So if you want to wear a sari, then you can wear this underneath, and yeah, that's what this is. Let's open it up. here is what it looks like. It is like a skirt, long skirt, but a shapewear. So that is really cool. The next things that I ordered are these 4 bras, like 4 pair of bras, and let's see them as well. This is the first one. This is like a sleeveless bra because it has these transparent straps on them. The next bra is this one is for like a t-shirt bra to wear it on your daily use. It's cotton. It's really good. It's what the bra looks like. This is like super good quality bra. It's like really good quality, and this is, I guess, it is a backless bra. And the last bra is this. Now this is a sports bra. Yes, again super good quality. These are all the bras. Next thing is this tummy tucker for someone who wants to like tuck in their tummies or give their body the shape, like the the curvy shapes, the curves. So you can use this. This is a tummy tucker. Next thing is this. Now this is a set of night suit that I ordered. It's from the collection from Cartoon Network. It's a beautiful t-shirt. You can wear it separately if you want to. Now it's really nice, and it also has this Powerpuff Girls like print on it. It's really nice. Along with that, I have these pajamas, and that's all in this box. So I'll leave the link to their website in the description along with the codes, and all these items will also be listed down in the description. If you want to check them out, make sure you do. They also have an offer which offers 4 bras for only $7.99, so you can check them out. I think it's amazing. I love Clovia. Thank you so much, Clovia, for sending me this stuff. Hey guys, it's currently 4:05 p.m. right now, and I need to study. And for some reason, you guys like to see me studying. I always think that like seeing someone studying is kind of boring, but you guys love to see time lapse, and you guys love to see me study. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to just put a time lapse for you all to see. So I'm not tying my hair right now because I don't have any hair left, and many people are asking me what happened to your hair. You will see it in an upcoming video what actually happened. It's a tragic story. So time lapse. So guys, it's currently 5:20 right now, and I have done like more than like 15 questions in 1 hour. So I'm going to take a little bit of rest because I'm tired now, and after that again I can do my work one more time, like complete all the questions. A lot of questions are still left. Yeah, and if you think what this fluff is, then this fluff is my microphone. Non-copyrighted YouTube music is all what we play while vlogging. Hey guys, I'm at the restaurant Nai right now and I look like an idiot. Everyone is staring at me. Public vlogging is not really my thing. I hope you all can hear me though. Yeah. So guys, it's currently 9 o'clock right now and I went to have dinner with my family, my mother and my siblings. Dad was out, so we went and we had something, and yeah, there was a mosquito there, so please ignore that. Hey guys, so I am done doing my work. Like, I've not completed all the questions. I wasn't in the mood. Like, you know, I'm very moody. When I get the motivation, I do it instantly, and when I don't, I can't do it even how much I try to do it. So right now I'm not in the mood, I guess, and I have to like put the timetable. So guys, that is all for this video. I really hope you all like it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram at samraddhi.fanmail, and that is all. I'll see you guys next Saturday with a brand new video.